Hi everyone, welcome to Rahul and Jayashree Associates and Company. This is a law firm and we also provide educational services including any entrance exam. You can contact in the comment box. So today our lecture is on current affairs. We will cover many topics. Two cases are there of Supreme Court, that is on Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe, and other is on section 138 of the Negotiable Instrument Act. Okay, so these are important things, and other topics will be on Chief Minister. We'll cover the economic case-shape recovery, All India Survey on Education, Higher Education. We'll do that. After that, we'll come to International Court of Justice, which is covering the South Africa case of Gaza victims, which it was taken. So different things are there. You watch it till the end for taking this benefit, and notes are provided in the group. You can join our group for the notes. So we are starting with an important case of today, which is a Supreme Court judgment. Okay, it is on section 3 of Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989. So on this case, Supreme Court has said that basically in this case, Supreme Court has said that if there is a caste and if the caste thing is not committed, then the people will not be punished under this act, which is Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe Prevention of Atrocities Act. Okay, so in the comment box, just what do you understand by Scheduled Caste? Just write it down in the comment box, so we can understand that what is in your mind. So in this case, Supreme Court has said that if the matters are not committed on the basis of caste, then the punishment will not be there, as because this section 3 of the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989 says that if any crime is committed on grounds of modesty or assault, then the people will be punished for 6 months to 5 years. So to take benefit of this section, the crime should be committed on the basis of caste. And this case name is Dasrath Sahu versus State of Chhattisgarh. This was the number 1 case. And second case of Supreme Court of today is on Negotiable Instrument Act. So if the accused is disputing the signature or check or certified copy can be taken from the bank. Okay, so if the people are defaulting on check and signature, then the copies can be brought in from the banks to clarify whether that was original or not. And the Supreme Court dismissed the appeal of the accused, and Supreme Court upheld the High Court judgment. And this was in case of Ajit Singh Chenuji Rathod versus State of Gujarat and others. Some people are saying that I am going fast. I am going fast as because I have to cover and the videos cannot be large. So on YouTube there is one option, you can slow my audio and you can watch. Okay, and I need your support. Please like this thing and share it, as because there are more topics now. We'll cover them more, and watch it till the end for the more benefit. So the next topic is on Chief Minister. Who is Chief Minister? Chief Minister is a head of the government in a state, as because we are following federal form of government in India. So Chief Minister is assisted by Council of Ministers, and in that criteria, Chief Minister, Council of Ministers and Governor is also included. Okay, so section 163 of the Indian Constitution talks about Governor is advised by the Chief Minister. Article 164 is talking about Chief Minister is appointed by whom? Governor. So 164 is talking about Chief Minister is appointed by the Governor, and Article 163 is talking about Governor is advised by the Chief Minister. And 167 article is talking about Chief Minister is communicating all the decisions what is taken in the Council of Ministers. So 52nd Amendment Act of 1985 is talking about 10th schedule. 10th schedule is to stop the MPs and MLAs getting elected and going to other parties. So 10th schedule is what it is doing, it is limiting the members to go after elections to another party. So switching over sides is not done as per 10th schedule only if 2/3 majority of the party merges to other party. So there are certain exceptions. So 52nd Amendment Act brought in 10th schedule. This thing is asked in many exams. Okay, and 102 subclause 2 of the Constitution of India talks about member of parliaments anti-defection laws, and 191 subclause 2 talks about MLAs of this 10th schedule. Next topic is on case-shaped recovery. Case-shaped recovery in economy, it is about economics. So the curve or the graph take the shape of the K, and what the K symbolizes, that different part of the country is taking different rates. So when different rates are there in different parts of the country, then recovery is in K-shaped. Okay. Next shift on is an all India survey on a higher education. So in the comment box just mention education is the subject of which list? List 1, list 2 or list 3? So all India survey of higher education is brought by which organization? Ministry of Higher Education. From which year? 2011. So it is covering what? It is covering all higher education institutions located in India. So we will see the data. Okay, so on higher education means what? The education of higher importance. So we can say that enrollment ratio. Enrollment ratio means the ratio which is increasing. Like the students are going to college, means that is enrollment ratio. Enrollment ratio is increased to 4.33 crore in 21 and 22. 2021 2022 latest data. Female enrollment means they are registering in schools and colleges. They are going to school and colleges. So that rate is 2.07 crore. And overall ratio, that is known as gross enrollment ratio, is increased to how much? 28.4%. So right to education is covered in which section? We can say that right to education is covered in Article 21A of the Indian Constitution. Next topic is on International Court of Justice. International Court of Justice is an international organization. International Court of Justice is an international court. So the South Africa has taken the cases of genocide. Genocide is a thing that person are killing each other in Gaza. So International Court of Justice has dismissed the petition of South Africa. So on the basis of that, we will discuss International Court of Justice. International Court of Justice was founded on which year? In 1945. Came into force in 1946. And it succeeded one organization. It is known as International. It is also known as what? So International Court of Justice is succeeding. You can say that it is consulting. International Court of Justice is succeeding one court. So you have to mention that court in the comment box. And its head office is where? Its head office is on Hague. Hague, Hague. So it is total, how many organs are there of the United Nations? Mention in the comment box. Total how many organs are there in the United Nations? Out of that organs, only one organs is outside New York, that is Hague, head office. So what is the work of the International Court of Justice? International Court of Justice work is to take the matters which different countries are taking to International Court of Justice. International Court of Justice, certain single person cannot go, country goes to International Court of Justice on behalf of persons or anyone. And it give advisory opinion on whom? On different countries. It gives advisory opinion to different United Nations organs also. And what is the tenure of judges of International Court of Justice? That is 9 years. So like, share, subscribe, so that I need your help, and we provide affordable preparation for any exams at affordable cost. For notes, you can join our group that will be in the description box. So thank you for listening and watching.